Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to fix your Facebook marketplace is not available to you. If you go through your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, then there you will see the Facebook marketplace. But if it is not available in your case, then go through your app store and on the searching bar search for Facebook and make sure that it is updated. If not, then please do update your application. Then go back to the settings and then hit on the general. Now scroll down a little bit and go through the iPhone storage and search for Facebook. Once you found it, do offload the app and then reinstall the app again. This will surely help you out to solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.